This is company expenditure on salary, fuel and transport, bonus to the employees, interest on loans of the company. Okay, loans are taken by the company, interest of the loans, and then taxes paid by the company. These are the expenditure, 5 different years are given. Okay, of a single company, and all these numbers are in lakhs rupees. Okay, all these are in rupees and lakhs rupees. It is the just the number given over here, but everything is in lakh of rupees. Okay. Now the first question is, what is the average amount of interest per year? Okay, interest per year that the company had to pay during this period. Okay, period means this is the 5 years period. 5 years period. Okay, and interest means this is the column interest. They are asking average amount per year. What is the average amount? Okay, I'm going to the solution. First, I will calculate what is the total interest paid: 23.4, 32.5, 41.6, 36.4, and 49.4. This is 5 years information. And 12 plus 11, 21, 2, 15, 17, 20, 23, 2, and then 10, 16, 18. So 183.1 lakhs, 183.1 lakhs is the amount paid, interest paid for 5 years. Okay, for 5 years. Now per year, average paid per year means we are talking of 5 years. Okay, so per year means we have to divide with 5. We have to divide with 5. If it is 10 years, then we have to divide with 10. So here we are talking of 5 years. Now divided by 5 means this is 3 times 15, 6 times 30, again 6 times, okay, 30, then 2 times. This is the 36.62 lakhs per year interest paid. Okay, per year interest paid by the company. This is the final answer. This is the final answer, 36.62. Now I am moving with the same data. One more question on the same data. The total amount of bonus paid by the company during the given period is approximately what percent of the total amount of salary paid during this period? Okay, so what they are asking is ratio between bonus paid and the amount of salary. Okay, bonus of 5 years by salary paid to employees 5 years. Okay, the ratio they are asking. This is the bonus. Everything is in lakhs of rupees. And this is salary. It is also lakhs of rupees. It is a big company. 288 lakhs, 1998 year. They are paying to all the employees together. Now I'm going with the bonus calculation. Bonus calculation. So if I add directly over here below the table, I will just add. Okay. So 10 plus 10 is 20 and 2 remainder, and then 10, 15, 25 plus 5, 30, 3 remainder, and then 15, 17. 17.0, 17 lakhs is the bonus. 5 years bonus given by the company is 17 lakhs. Now I will go with the salary. Salary, I will just make the sum below the table. This is 10, 20, 2 remainder, and then 5, 15 plus 6, 21, 2 remainder, and then 5, okay, 15 and 17. No decimal points, 1710 lakhs. 1710 lakhs is the salary paid by the company to all the employees in 5 years. Okay, so what they are asking, it is not about one particular year. It is not about one particular year. The total amount of bonus paid by the company during the given period means 5 years. Okay, during the given period means it is 5 years. Is approximately what percentage? Okay, percentage means into 100 also I have to multiply. Okay, percentage, the answer is required. So now the ratio is bonus 17 and this is 1710 into 100. Okay, and now if I cancel this 100, denominator will become 17.1. Denominator will become 17.1. This is just less than 1, approximately 1. Okay, this ratio is 1% because we are multiplying with 100. It is just the percentage approximated. They are asking approximately. Otherwise, it is 0.998, something like that. Okay, approximately they are asking, so approximately 1%. I will move to the next problem. I will just move to the next problem. Same data, one more question. The total expenditure of the company, over these items, items means salary, okay, items means it represents salary, fuel transport, bonus, interest, taxes. All these are items, okay, on which the company is spending money. So now they are asking total expenditure during the year 2000. 2000, what is the total expenditure of the company? Just add that row. Solution, they are spending 324 lakhs on salary, 101 on fuel and transport, 3.84 on bonus, 41.6 on interest, and then 74 lakhs on taxes. Now if we add all this, what will happen? This is 4, this is 14, one reminder, and then this is 6 plus 4, 10, 14, one reminder, and this is 11 plus 3, 14, one reminder, 5, this is the decimal point, 544.44 lakhs is the total expenditure, okay, total expenditure, 544.44 lakhs in the year 2000, okay. Very simple calculation. First of all, we have to understand what is asked. Based on that, we can do some analysis, okay. Now I am going to line charts, and next time tabular information completed. Next I am going to line charts. Let us see what was the difference between average exports of the three companies in 1998 and the average exports in 1993, okay. So 98 is this year, 98 is this year. They are asking average, okay, average in 1998. All the three companies are there. Blue is company X, red is company Z, and green is company Y, okay. All these are in crores of rupees. All these are crores of rupees exports, okay, export amount in terms of money. Now 1998, green color is 100, red color is 80, blue color is 50, okay. So 100 plus 80 plus 50, average means divided by 3. You can see green color is 100 in 98, red color y-axis is 80, and blue color y-axis is 50, okay. They are asking average, so divided by 3. If you see here, this is nothing but 230 divided by 3, 230 divided by 3. Next, average in 1993. I will go with 1993. This is 1993. Green color is 80, red color 60, blue color 30. Average means divided by 3, 170 by 3. Okay. So what they are asking, difference between average, higher value, okay, minus lower value. LCM is same. So 230 minus 70 by 3, it is 60 by 3, and it is 20 is the answer in crores of rupees. Okay, this is in crores of rupees. So the difference between the average in the year 1998 and 1993, the answer is 20 crores. Answer is 20 crores. Okay.